The Computer Emergency Response Team of Ukraine, known as CERT-UA, has become the latest victim in a phishing campaign explicitly designed to target recipients by impersonating the cybersecurity authority. The operation, identified as conducted by threat actor UAC0255, unfolded over 2 days, March 26 and 27, 2026, and aimed at deploying AGEWHEEZE, a sophisticated remote administration tool. This video is sponsored by Stonefly. More on that at the end of the video. UAC0255 skillfully crafted emails that appeared to be from CERT-UA, complete with a password-protected zip archive, banking on institutional trust to evade detection and prompt the execution of AGEWHEEZE by recipients. AGEWHEEZE enables unauthorized remote control, data exfiltration, and lateral movement in networks, making it particularly perilous. The campaign developed through several strategic layers, impersonating the widely recognized CERT-UA to foster trust, utilizing password protection for zip archives to circumvent security tools, and primarily focusing on AGEWHEEZE to ensure lasting system access. Countermeasures organizations can adopt include deploying layered email filtering, conducting security awareness training, focusing on phishing recognition, verifying email sources independently, and ensuring endpoint protection systems are up to date. Phishing tactics like these exploit the reputations of trusted entities, leveraging the expectation of legitimacy to increase interaction rates with deceitfully attached files. This underscores the necessity for rigorous verification of any supposed communication from reputable cybersecurity agencies like CERT-UA and robust internal practices for approaching unsolicited attachments. And now a word from our sponsor. Stonefly's NAS storage appliance has been recognized by DCIG as one of the top 5 mid-market software-defined storage file backup targets for 2025 to 2026. Stonefly offers a 100 terabyte immutable and air-gapped SSO NAS for $9,995. Key features include air-gapped and immutable storage, deduplication, MFA, and volume deletion protection. The appliance includes a 100 terabyte Gen 10 8x2U rack mount with 7 14 terabyte enterprise SAS drive pack, a 12-core storage virtualization engine, 32 gigabyte system memory, 12 gigabyte SAS hardware RAID controller, and an 800 watts platinum certified hot swappable power supply. It also provides services like snapshot, tiering, encryption, sync and async, replication, and supports CIFS, SMB and NFS, Cloud Connect to Azure Hot, Cool Blob, AWS S3, erasure coding with a 1-year warranty and support included in this price. Subscribe for more cybersecurity news. Thank you for watching.